Did you know space isn't silent? These are 3 strange sounds recorded from space. Number 1, the whistlers, high-pitched sounds recorded by NASA. They're believed to come from lightning bouncing through Earth's magnetic field. Creepy, right? Number 2, the wow signal, a mysterious radio signal detected in 1977. It lasted 72 seconds, and scientists still don't know where it came from. Number 3, black hole echoes. Yes, black holes emit sound. The Perseus Galaxy's black hole creates a deep hum. This sounds like horror. Which sound amazed you the most? Like and subscribe for exploring more space mysteries with us.